internet industry has done in terms of letting everybody level the playing field to be able to do and get things that they probably never even imagined. And I don't think a lot of the folks who are structuring the way that we try and become competitive and try to get our piece of the pie, they didn't account for the internet. Third industrial revolution. Fourth industrial revolution is to use all the tools that we've learned about everything to make sure that we can compete not only with ourselves, but with other countries. Korea, China, and India. They all have state-sponsored education for their kindergarten. From K through 5, those people are learning these tools and they're applying them to everyday life. So we're competing with countries at the kindergarten level. So by the time they get to a place where they get to maturity, they've got a complete advantage over us in just about anything that we can think about that are needs. So I want you guys to be able to think about where you are in history. Because history is not the past for me. It's not even the present. History is the future. Every single thing that we're doing right now is historical. You guys being in this room right now, maybe 5 years from now, 10 years from now, people will say, wow. I heard a few things that made me more aware that I'm laying down some tracks, not only for me, but the people who come behind me. Your friends, your family. And that's what I want you guys to really think about taking away is what can I do to use these tools, learn these tools, so I can better myself and people who are connected to me. So I want to play this second video here.
Play the second one first, okay?
Yeah, and then I'll explain a little bit
Could your
about it.
chosen career be on a collision course with artificial intelligence? Is it possible that we are on the cusp of an era where AI not only assists us, but also invents, develops, and innovates? The answer is a resounding yes. The future has already dawned upon us with the advent of generative AI tools. Generative AI tools are advanced systems capable of learning from data input and, based on that learning, creating new data that is similar but not identical. These tools are the creators of the digital world, reflecting the human ability to generate fresh ideas, designs, and solutions. Using deep learning technologies such as neural networks, which emulate the function and structure of the human brain, these tools absorb information, process it, and then generate outputs that are not mere replicas, but are fresh, innovative, and valuable. Enter the Dakar Foundation, a member of the steering committee for California's new initiative, California Jobs First. Dakar is also a solutions architect, emphasizing its dual registered apprenticeship program through the Department of Labor and Governor Newsom's quest to drive employment through pre-apprenticeship and non-traditional apprenticeship. Dakar is focused on creating a smart pipeline emphasizing micro-certificates in burgeoning career paths that will address today's and tomorrow's challenges in disinvested communities in Los Angeles County. Their tool of choice is augmented intelligence. By harnessing the potential of superintelligence in quantum computing, Dakar aims to bridge the gap between career seekers and corporations' employment resource groups. These corporations are actively seeking to mentor diversity and inclusion through their corporate social responsibility initiatives, focusing on sustainability and green clean technology integration into our inner city's problem-solving strategies. Dakar aims to focus on students in the Los Angeles, California State University system and the Los Angeles County Community College Consortium. So, as we draw this discussion to a close, let's recap the key points. We looked at the future of careers and how they are intertwined with artificial intelligence. We explored the concept of generative AI tools and their potential to revolutionize our jobs. We then delved into the initiatives of the Dakar Foundation, its role in California Jobs First, and its commitment to driving employment through innovative apprenticeship programs. We also looked at how Dakar plans to use augmented intelligence as a force multiplier to bridge the gap between career seekers and corporations. In essence, we are standing on the edge of a new era where artificial intelligence doesn't just assist us, but also creates, generates, and innovates. And with organizations like the Dakar Foundation leading the way, this future seems not only possible, but inevitable.
Okay, so the interesting thing about this little video is that I jammed all of the things that I believe I'm about right now into a AI tool. It's a generative video AI tool that created this 3-minute video at about maybe 90 seconds.